Seriously guys, nothing makes me more happier than to find a good buy. I was at the dollar store the day before yesterday. Get down. Get down. Get down. And let me tell you what I found. I found this beautiful dress. Look at this. Look how it makes me look so voluptuous. But I found this dress at the dollar store. I thought that it would be perfect to wear with like some leggings or you know, some of those black stretchy pants or whatever. I thought maybe it was just a shirt, but I got it home and it looks like a full-size dress. I want you to look at this. You're not gonna believe how much I paid for this. Look at that. I want you to look at the top of it. It's just so nice and pretty. Look at that. And it just makes your figure look just so nice. And look at that, how pretty it is. I was just absolutely tickled to death. And I want you to look at the full view of it here, if you can see it. Of course, it'd be much better if it was, you know, a little shorter, had like, it was like a mini skirt or something to that effect. But I think this is absolutely adorable. And, you know, there's times when all I wear at home is like, just like sleep pants or whatever, because I work so much. I work 12-hour night shifts, so during the day I am just so absolutely exhausted when I wake up, and you know, I just don't feel like getting all spiffied up or dressed up or whatever unless I'm doing like videos or something. I try to look halfway presentable, but I kind of feel pretty in this today. Look how pretty it is. Look at it. I can't wait for my husband to get home. He's gonna be like, damn. He's gonna be like, damn girl, where'd you get that figure at? But anyway, I love it, and I was tickled to death because I kind of threw it over to the side in a bag, and I thought, I'll try it on later or whatever. And a couple days went by, and I dug it out today. I'm off today. Got cleaned up, got showered. Like, what am I gonna wear? So I went ahead and tried this on, and I really like it, and you can't beat it. Look at it. You can't beat it. And you know what? This thing was like half off. I paid like $6 for this thing. $6. That is the best $6 I've ever spent in my entire life. But I'm tickled absolutely to death over this. But anyway, a happy Wednesday. Or I'm getting ahead of myself. Today's Tuesday. Today is trash day. Today is Tuesday. So I know that they're going to be out there flinging my trash cans all over the road. I'm gonna have to go chase them, so maybe I ought to take this off and go get something else on. I'm gonna look kind of funny running down the road, trying to dig my trash cans out of a cornfield. Didn't think about that. But yeah, happy Tuesday, and good morning to you guys. And I don't really have a lot going on today. I'm not gonna do absolutely anything, except I think I'm gonna film a few videos today. I put a couple of them out there for you already. Let me grab my coffee. Let you get another good look at this dress. Now I just gotta work on the tummy. You know what? That's my baby. That's my baby gut there where I had my babies, and that's where I store all my chocolate at. But anyway. Question. I'm thinking about doing some getting into the podcast. You know, I thought maybe some people might like that, and I think that would be something I'd be interested in. So I'm not really sure. I'm really looking into that. I thought it'd be a great idea to get some recipes out, or just maybe do some like story times or what have you. But I think that'd be a lot of fun. But the only thing is, you have to go to a quiet place. And if you've been a fan long enough here on In the Kitchen with Sandy, you know that my house is not quiet. My dogs are barking, my cats are meowing, you know, all kinds of good stuff. So, but I think I'd really like to get into podcasting. You know, there's a couple different areas that I would like to kind of, you know, see how I'd go on it. I got a couple good ideas for some podcasting, but we'll see how that goes. But I'll let you know. I'll definitely let you know if I get to do that. I thought maybe just, you know, listen to some recipes or what have you. Like I said, maybe some story times, and I got a couple other ideas that I'd like to do, but we'll see. I'll let you know about that. There's a couple of you that have been asking about sending mail stuff to me, and of course I don't give out my personal address because you know what, we've got a few creepers on here. But anyway, I am looking into getting, why does my camera look cockeyed? Or maybe I'm just staying cockeyed. I am looking into getting a P.O. box, so whatever it is you're wanting to send me, that's perfectly fine, but I'll try to get that up and going here within the next week or two, and then I will post that on the description below in one of my videos, because like I said, I know a few of you have been what's the word? Pull it out, Sandy. Inquiring about, like, my address. Not really sure what you want. You know, I'm hoping you're just going to send me a card or whatever, thanking me for the recipes. But yeah, like I said, I will get that. I'm going to get a P.O. box soon. So, let me check my text. My kitchen's a mess this morning. I am going to clean. Just got done frying me some turkey bacon. I had some turkey bacon and eggs. Trying to do good, trying to do good. I do have a recipe that I want to get out there very soon. It's like a pineapple tart. The weather here is like getting to me, I'm telling you. It's been hot and muggy, but yeah. I want to do a pineapple tart for you guys. I was going to do it the other day, but I didn't because I was feeling guilty, because that's when me and my daughter had went shopping, and you know, I tried on this clothes and I'm like, piss on that, I ain't doing no pineapple tart. That's all I need. But yeah, I'm going to do it. It's so delicious and it's so easy to make. Tomorrow is the 4th of July. So if you guys have plans, you know, just be safe, you know, you're going to have to be vigilant, you know, in anything that you do anymore. I don't know if you guys heard, but I heard yesterday that they just, I don't know how, what's that word, thwarted off a possible terrorist attack in Cleveland. I do live in Ohio, and I don't live like real close to Cleveland, but I am a little further south. But that is so scary, you know, that somebody was actually planning to do harm to innocent people, terrorists, and terrorists could be, you know, they're not just from, you know, people perceive them as, and please, I don't want to get no hate mail over this, but people perceive them to be from different countries or whatever. But you know, a terrorist is just somebody who, you know, plans on doing the unthinkable to a bunch of innocent people. It can be anybody, you know. It's not just, you know, who you perceived or who we've been perceived by the news to think that these people are. But you know, if you're going to be out this holiday, whatever, be very vigilant about, you know, keep an eye out everywhere, you know, because people are, it's a shame the world that we live in, that people want to cause you harm, and you know, and they don't even know you, they don't care about you, they're looking to make their mark and be the big hero or whatever they term themselves to be. It's absolutely sickening, is what it is, sickening. You see my little boo-boo kitty? Don't act like your cat don't jump on the counter, because they do. They jump everywhere. So probably smells of turkey bacon, so I'm gonna have to bleach my counters. I got some bleach wipes, so I'll just wipe it right up. But he usually gets right up here when he wants me to pet him, when he hears me talking. But yeah, anyway, back to the terrorist. And you guys be very careful out doing your firework thingies or your cookout, because you never know when, you know, the unfortunate act of somebody's ignorance may totally change your life, you know. So be careful, but enjoy yourself on your 4th 4th of July. My sister's birthday is the 4th of July, so happy, and if you're watching this, I hope you have a happy, wonderful 4th of July birthday. What else did I want to talk about? There's nothing really else that I really wanted to talk about. I kind of like to get into doing some like views, my opinions on different things, because I think that my opinion is the most important. No, I'm kidding, but if there's anything that you guys would like to talk about, leave me a comment below. Here's my little boo-boo kitty. Come here, boo-boo kitty. But anyway, I'm gonna get my house cleaned. I'm gonna take some cough medicine. And I don't know what else I'm gonna do today. I'll probably take me a nap. I love to take naps. I work nights, so I always like to sleep. But yeah, that's what's going on. And you know, I love you guys so very much. Always, I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love the comments. I love that my fan base is growing greatly. I love that. I love that. You know, and I appreciate each and every one of you. I appreciate the comments. I appreciate the fact that you're trying my recipes out and, you know, not just looking at them and oohing and ahhing over them. And you're giving me wonderful, positive feedback. I don't think I have ever gotten any feedback that says, oh, I made this and it was absolutely awful, or it wasn't as good as you said it was going to be, or I told you I put some really good stuff out there, and I hope that you guys are really enjoying it. So anyway, this is my little day because I have to work the rest of the week, and my little chit chat. So you know, I love you, and I'll see you soon. Bye. I'm feeling beautiful today. Beautiful. Very beautiful. That's a cat about knocked my camera over. Bye.